Namaskar, I am Radha Venkatanarayanan, Carnatic vocalist, mentor, and teacher. Sant Tukaram of the Bhakti movement lived approximately around the 17th century. He has left behind a repository of abhangs, a unique genre within the Indian music format. Uh, Most of you would be aware these abhangs are a series of unbroken series of songs in praise of Lord Vithal of Pandharpur. And Sant Tukaram is actually one of the forerunners or one of the pioneers of abhangs. I have chosen one of his compositions, Omkara Pradhana Rupa Ganeshaji. This is quite a popular composition based in the Hindustani rag Bhoop, which is a close parallel to the Carnatic Mohanam. Omkara Pradhana Rupa Ganeshache. So it captures the essence of the form of Lord Ganesha as the primeval Om sound itself. This abhang, although dating from nearly the 17th century, in current times it was popularized quite much by the late Suman Kalyanpurji, who made it almost a household name. She first recorded this in 1973 under the music baton of Kamlakar Bhagwat. So I have tried to maintain the originality of the composition. Omkara Pradhana Rupa Ganeshache, where Sant Tukaram visualizes Lord Ganpati as the very embodiment of the Om, and he says the Akaram is Brahma, Ukaram is Vishnu, and Makaram is Mahesha. And he says Lord Ganesha is a composite entity of the Trinity itself. ओंकार प्रधान रूप गणेशाचे ओंकार प्रधान रूप गणेशाचे ए तिन्ही देवांचे जन्मस्थान ओंकार प्रधान रूप गणेशाचे हे तिन्ही देवांचे जन्मस्थान ओंकार प्रधान रूप गणेशाचे आकार तो ब्रह्मा उकार तो विष्णू आकार तो ब्रह्मा उकार तो विष्णू मकार महेश जाणियेला मकार महेश जाणियेला ओंकार प्रधान रूप गणेशाचे ओंकार प्रधान रूप गणेशाचे ऐसी तिन्ही देव जैतोनी उत्पन्न ऐसी तिन्ही देव जैतोनी उत्पन्न तो हा गजानन माय बाप ओंकार प्रधान रूप गणेशाचे तुका म्हणे ऐसी आहे वेदवाणी तुका म्हणे ऐसी आहे वेदवाणी पहावी पुराणी व्यासाजिया पहावी पुराणी व्यासाची या ओंकार प्रधान रूप गणेशाचे हे तिन्ही देवांचे ब्रह्मस्थान ओंकार प्रधान रूप गणेशाचे.